morning, students. Today we are going to study the structure of a nephron. Nephron. What is nephron? Nephron is the structural and the functional unit of filtration in our body. Today we are going to study the detailed structure of a nephron. Okay, so first of all we'll be starting with the structure of kidney, which is called as the excretory organ of human body. You can see the shape of the kidney is bean-like, and as today we are just going to study about the structure and the function unit of kidney, that is nephron. So our basic focus or our main focus will be on the structure of a nephron, which is actually the structural and the functional unit of kidney. Millions of such type of nephrons are present in each kidneys, which are performing the function of filtration in the kidneys. So let us start the structure. You can see the cup shaped structure you can see over here. This is called as the Bowman's capsule, and you will be seeing the coiled pipe like structure which is coming out from the Bowman's capsule. This is a coiled like structure, highly coiled. It will go down here, and as you will be seeing this pipe when it comes down, and again when this limb ascends, it becomes slightly broader. Okay, that is the speciality of this tube, that when it comes up it becomes broad. So this you have to keep in mind, that tube as it ascends it becomes broader. Again when it comes up, now this again you just see a line which I have drawn over here is above this line. This is the cortical region. This is the cortex. This is the cortex. Means if you will be understanding by this structure, so this the outer one, the outer structure which I have just drawn here is the cortex. So this is the cortex, and this one is the medulla. This. Okay, this is the medulla. So medulla is this and cortex is this. So this is the structure of a nephron. Remember this line which I have drawn, just above this line is cortex and below this line is the medulla. Okay, you can understand by this structure as I have just shown you. This one is the this is the cortex, and this one is the medulla. So now this line separates the cortex from the medulla. Now, when this pipe comes out from this arm, again it is being coiled over here and it joins the collecting duct here. Now we will be just studying the detailed structure of nephron. This cup-shaped cavity which you have just seen is called as the Bowman's capsule. Inside this Bowman's capsule, arteries brings the blood for filtration, for removal of the nitrogenous waste. Okay. So you will be finding here that the size of this arteries or arteriole, we can see that the size of this arteriole over here which is bringing the blood is slightly broader than which is taking away the blood from the Bowman's capsule. The reason behind this is when the blood comes through, or when the blood is brought about by the efferent, and this arteriole is called as efferent arteriole, which is bringing the blood to the Bowman's capsule for filtration. It is slightly broader because it has to bring lots of blood to the Bowman's capsule. Now here, when the arteriole enters inside the Bowman's capsule, there are numerous blood capillaries which get coiled around each other. There are around 50 capillaries over here, around 50 capillaries. Okay, which makes a tuft, एक bunch बना लेती हैं. Whenever the blood is taken into the Bowman's capsule by the efferent arteriole, it clusters over here. It makes a tuft. It becomes clustered over here. Around 50 capillaries are here in this cup-shaped cavity, and this tuft of capillaries, this bunch of capillaries, 50 capillaries, forms glomerulus. This is called as, this tuft of capillaries which is forming a bunch here is called as glomerulus. And when this arteriole comes out of it, its size reduces. Why the size reduces? Because the filtration which is taking place over here is under pressure, because if the arteriole, if this size of diameter of this arteriole is broader, so obviously the pressure will be less, and when it comes out from the next after coming out from the Bowman's capsule, the size reduces to increase the pressure. When the size reduces, pressure increases. When the size increases, pressure decreases. Okay, so with the pressure the filtration is taking place over here. Okay, with the pressure, that's why this is called as ultrafiltration. That we will be just discussing. I will be just telling you about the steps of filtration in the kidneys, how the filtration takes place in the kidney. That we will be discussing at the end of the explanation of this structure of nephron. Okay, so which we have just seen, this cup shaped cavity is called as Bowman's capsule. This tuft of capillaries is called as glomerulus. Now we will be just moving little bit more further. This pipe like structure which is highly coiled, which is coming out from the Bowman's capsule, is called as PCT. This first coiled structure is called as PCT. PCT means proximal convoluted tubule. What it is called? Proximal convoluted tubule. Okay, now more ahead, when we'll be just moving, this pipe like structure will coming down into the medulla region. This part is in the cortex region. Now this coiled structure is also in the cortex region. When this pipe extend more down, it comes down and it comes this U-shaped structure which is called as loop of Henle. This U-shaped structure is called as loop of Henle. It comes down into the medulla region, and this arm which is coming down, this loop of Henle which is coming down is called as descending loop of Henle. When it comes down, it forms a U-shaped structure. This is loop of Henle. When this loop of Henle will be moving up, that means it is the ascending loop of Henle, which it is moving up. It's ascending. This is descending. This is ascending. I have drawn the arrows. You can see this is the descending loop. This is the ascending loop. It is slightly broader. Okay, this you have to note down, that this ascending loop of Henle is slightly broader as compared to the descending loop of Henle. When it again comes up, this broader structure where it ends, and above this, when the pipe increases, or when we move little bit more further, above this broader structure, again this all structure will be in the cortical region. So again, this coil structure of tube, you can see this coil tube, you can see this is called as DCT. DCT means distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubule. Again, the distal convoluted tubule will be ascending, and it will be moving, and it will join to the pipe like structure which is called as the collecting duct. Now this is the structure of the structural and the functional unit of kidney, that is nephron. Such type of structures, there are millions of such type of structures, thousands, millions, you can say that. We can compare it with a sieve. छन्नी देखी है आटा छानने की. The sieve which you have seen, it is having mesh. It is having lots of holes in this, like this. You have seen this. Okay, many such type of structures are present in this sieve, एक छन्नी में, जिससे हम क्या छानते हैं? आटा छानते हैं. तो in the same way, our blood is also getting filtered in this kidney. Such type of nephrons are like a single hole in the sieve. जैसे कि इस sieve के अंदर छोटे छोटे होल दिख रहे हैं, एक्चुअली फिल्ट्रेशन यहीं से होता है, एक्चुअली छानते हैं आटा अपन यहीं से है. तो this type, this is that hole, this is that hole. We can just compare it with that hole. Okay, a small hole. This small hole resembles this complete structure, which is actually involved in छानने के लिए आटा, or actually involved in filtration. So this is the structure. This is on the one such type of, thousands of such type of structures are present in each kidney, which drop by drop filters the nitrogenous waste from the blood and ultimately collect it into the collecting duct. अब such type of many thousands of nephron collect their waste into this collecting duct, and ultimately this collecting duct comes and it joins into the urinary bladder like this. Matlab, this is the ureter. This is ureter. So very quickly, I am just drawing the structure of kidney over here like this. So here you will find this bean like structure, like this, okay. Now from each kidney a pipe like structure will be coming out like this, okay, like this it will come out, and here is the, so this is the ureter. Now if suppose that this nephron is present over here, it will be collecting its waste into this collecting duct. This collecting duct will join into this ureter, okay. This is the ureter, okay. It's collecting duct will join into the ureter. Ureter will enter into the urinary bladder, and urinary bladder will get full. When it becomes full of this nitrogenous waste, then the urine is excreted out through urethra, okay. So this is the complete structure of a nephron which we have seen, okay. So that how the filtration is taking place. Now we are able to understand it, I think. Thank you.